My dearest of friends, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods here in the heart of Berkeley, California. And we want to celebrate and rejoice in this exuberant springtime. We're going to be making a very, very special, alive, organic ice cream. So let's begin. But of course, with some frozen bananas. And now we're going to add a bit of mango. This is isn't this a gorgeous? Look at the deep red and the stars, the small little white stars with a deep red background. We are so blessed to be here in this California, in this wonderland. So here we go with mango. The mango itself, however, is not grown here in California. It's from Mexico. And now, what about some California peaches? This is a white California peach, just appeared in the marketplaces in this early springtime that we're having. So let's put in some slices of white peach. And now let's give all this a blend. Okay. Now, how about some cacao powder, Living Tree cacao powder? And what about a peeled lemon? And how about some chopped medjool dates? These dates are grown right here in California. Magnificent date. We have them on the website, but of course. And let's blend this up. And now our privilege and pleasure to add a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, the pillar of our business, created from almonds, grown by a wonderful California farming family of 5 generations on the land. The almonds, as we never tire of saying, are grown in the Central Valley in alluvial soil. The Central Valley was once a great inland sea, and the water percolates from melting snow in the high Sierras. So we've added a heaping tablespoon of almond butter. And now what about a heaping tablespoon of walnut butter made from walnuts, also grown here by a family farmer here in California. Almond butter, walnut butter. And what about some milk of paradise? Milk of paradise is macadamia cashew butter, one of our original creations. milk of paradise, and maybe perhaps some pistachio butter. Our Vermont maple syrup. This is going to be a magnificent ice cream, if we can say so ourselves. So Vermont maple syrup, organic, but of course. This is a wonderful neem honey. The honey is created in Brazil. Neem honey. And what about some vanilla extract? And finally, our Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. And to everything we eat, we love to add chia seeds. Chia seeds, in this case, are going to have a thickening effect to thicken the ice cream. So chia seeds, a Native American food, it would sustain them as they ran across the desert spaces. So here we have our mango peach chocolate ice cream. If I may say so, it looks utterly delectable. Here we go. We're going to put this in the freezer for a while, and then we'll see. Well, dearest friends, this is our mango peach chocolate ice cream. We've had it in the freezer for a little while, and it's starting to solidify. Only at Living Tree Community Foods. Alive, raw, vital, streaming, flowing. So let's give this a taste. Ecstasy. So vital. My privilege to share. Let us go forward. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below. You might even be moved to perhaps give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and criticisms are treasured by us. We want to hear from you. It is my privilege to share. This world can be so ecstatic. We can overcome the drear of loneliness. We can overcome the epidemics of obesity, of autism, of cancer, and of cardiovascular. We can overcome, we can go forward. Prevention is the name of the game. So my privilege to share, let us hear from you. Thank you so very, very much indeed. Let us go forward.